The 2019 BMW 520d Touring xDrive is a premium executive estate car that focuses on a blend of comfort, technology, and practicality. The Touring designation means it's the wagon version, and xDrive indicates it has BMW's all-wheel drive system. Interior design and quality. Premium materials. The cabin is known for its high-quality materials and excellent build quality, which is typical of BMW's luxury segment. You'll find a mix of soft-touch plastics, high-quality leather, or alternative options like vegan leather in newer models, and sophisticated trim pieces. Driver-focused cockpit. The dashboard and center console are subtly angled towards the driver, a classic BMW design trait that makes for a more engaging driving experience and puts controls within easy reach. Seating and comfort. The front seats are highly adjustable, and some models offer optional upgraded comfort seats with additional bolstering and support. Adjustable lumbar support, which is great for long journeys, was an option on this model. The rear seats are spacious, offering good legroom and more headroom than the saloon version due to the Touring's flatter roofline. However, the central rear seat can be a bit hard and the floor has a large hump, making it less comfortable for a middle passenger on long trips. Technology and infotainment. iDrive system. The 2019 model year features BMW's iDrive infotainment system. It's renowned for its user-friendly interface, which can be controlled via a rotary dial on the center console, a touch screen, or even gesture control in some trims. Display screens. It typically came with a central infotainment screen, either 10.25-inch or 12.3-inch depending on the trim and options, and a digital instrument cluster. Connected drive services. The car is well integrated with BMW's connected drive suite, offering features like real-time traffic information, remote services, and the ability to access and extend services through the connected drive store. Other tech features. Depending on the specific trim and options, the 2019 520d Touring could include a range of advanced features such as head-up display, projects key driving information onto the windscreen. Wireless smartphone charging, a convenient slot for charging compatible phones. Parking Assistant Plus, includes a 360-degree camera system for easier parking. Harman Kardon Premium Sound System, an optional sound system with multiple speakers for an enhanced audio experience. Practicality and cargo space. Boot space. The Touring model is all about practicality. The 2019 520d Touring has a cargo capacity of 570 liters with all 5 seats in place. Folding rear seats. The rear seats have a flexible 40-20-40 split, allowing you to carry long items while still accommodating passengers. When the rear seats are folded down, the cargo space expands to a generous 1,700 liters. Convenient features. The boot has a low lip and wide opening for easy loading. A unique and handy feature of the 5 Series Touring is the ability to open just the rear windscreen to quickly toss in smaller items without having to lift the entire tailgate. There are also tethers and hooks to help secure luggage.